Well, hello from WP Franklin Campground in Alva, Florida. It's from Site 30. We're over by the dam. Never camped on this site before, but I like it. Site number 30. They have 30 campsites here, and we're on number 30 with our 39-foot Legro Red. They used to have some boat docks out here, but they pulled them all out because Ian wrecked them. Nice site. Can go fishing, camping, barbecuing, close to the comfort station. Every site has water, electric, barbecue grill, and a picnic table. It's a pretty square bargain for 30 bucks a night. No sewer, but there is a dump station. Okay, catch you later.